skin moisturizer and also sunscreen. So this is refillable. You can just take this out and fill it to your face with a nice packaging. So as Fenty and skin, we really love anything that's refillable. We are over the face, and you want to make sure that when you start with makeup, you have a really good prep to the face. Because if your skin is dry, your makeup won't stick well. Okay. First and foremost, you have to figure out the undertone that you have. So either you are neutral, you have cool, you have warm, and you have warm. So typically Asians, as a first, we are more of the neutral, warm. It's cold. Okay, there's a cooling effect, guys. Disclaimer. Okay, so that's number 6, and then this is number 7. Okay, which one guys? 6. So the warmer one. So a little goes a long way. Just a little bit there. Because we already covered all the redness, all the bumps that we had with the foundation. Okay? Lightly dab. Please don't swipe, because you're gonna hurt your underarms. So you just want to dab it into the skin. Get the darkness away. Just apply it like so. You see how beautiful that is? That color is just really beautiful. And with contour, of course, you want to push it up. Don't drag it down. If you drag your contour down, it's going to make your face gentle. Look at that beautiful highlighted